Hello, my name is Devdas from the Akasha Yoga Academy. Today we're going to have Pranayama to breathe and let it go. Pranayama for transmutation. Very simple, very powerful techniques. We're going to start in standing with a few of my favorite Pranayama standing exercises just to get the energy flowing, get the body moving, get relaxed. We're going to come down to the floor. We're going to look at a very, very powerful, vibrational, out loud chanting technique, which is profoundly beneficial for body, mind, and even the energy body. And we're going to have a lot of fun. So let's get started. So the first thing that I love to often start with is just hands together in front. What we're going to do is a double inhalation through the nose, double exhalation out the mouth. And we're going to continue on like that. So double inhale, double exhale out the mouth. Add this movement. Double inhalation, tense the body, arms out to the side. Double exhalation, relax the body. So tense the body, relax the body, tense, relax. A few more times. Tense, relax, tense, relax. Beautiful. Hands down by the sides, palms facing forward, standing Tadasana, centering in the heart. And a moment of fun called shake it off. Just shake it. Shake, 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 shake everything. Get your shoulders, get your elbows, get your wrists, get your knees, get your feet, get your hips, get everything. Just loosen everything in the body up. Often what restricts the flow of energy is tension. So just shake out any tensions. And we'll come into another exercise. Bring your hands up to your shoulders. Nice big circles with the shoulders, just opening up the shoulder. And the opposite direction. Beautiful. Now the same thing with the neck. Drop the neck to the chest. As you inhale, look up towards the top of the sky. As you exhale, the chin comes back down to the chest a few more times. Long, slow, deep, even breath. Next time that the chin comes down to the chest, just bring your head and neck up to center, and we go into one of my favorites called washing machine. Right hip towards left hand, left hip towards right hand. So let's just start to shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And this is a great way to shake it off. So really shake the hips. Often people have a lot of tension in their hips. This also shakes off the digestive plaque, which can stop us from being healthy and vital. So shake, 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 shake. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Stop. And we'll move into a few standing breathing exercises. Bring your hands to heart center, just very gently touching. As you inhale, the hands go up towards the sky, embracing life. As you exhale, the hands come back down toward heart center, just barely touching. And then find the flow of your breath and the movement so that the breath and the movement are one coordinated and integrated experience. If you want to add a brief pause after the exhale, after the inhale, that's perfectly fine. Close your eyes. You're not following anyone except the rhythm and the flow of your own breath. Next time that your hands come to heart center, just drop the hands down by the sides, palms facing forward. Eyes stay closed. Relax and feel. This is Tadasana, mountain pose. Strong and stable, present like a mountain. Beautiful. When you're ready, hands to up to the shoulders in fists. As you exhale, the hands go away from the body. Pause for a moment. As you inhale, hands come back into the body. Pause for a moment. And now find that flow for yourself. Find the right coordination of the movement and the breath. The breath should be as long and slow and deep a breath as you can possibly do. You should really use the full range of your diaphragm to really take deep, deep, deep breaths. And maybe you find yourself pausing a little bit longer after the inhale or after the exhale. That's perfectly fine. It's your flow, it's your breath. Just tuning in to the flow. Next time the hands come into the shoulders, just drop them down by the sides, palms facing forward. Again, standing Tadasana, eyes closed, body relaxed, present with the present moment. When you're ready, you can open your eyes and we're going to transition to a seated posture. So that can be a chair if you like, but it can also be a seat on the ground, whatever feels comfortable and good for your body. And we're going to experiment with one of the techniques that's very, very, very powerful, very beautiful in the tradition of yoga that deals with vibration and sound as a doorway into stillness and meditation. And that is the out loud chanting of Om, or in this case, Aum. And to look at kind of the basics of that, well, let me step back and say, This is a technique that we use in our advanced meditation teacher training, online meditation teacher training. It's a really, really fabulous, fabulous training. It has in it mantra and yantra and self inquiry and all the basics of meditation that you would need to be able to guide somebody in meditation. So, if you've been interested in learning meditation more deeply and being able to share that experience with other people, please check it out. Akasha Yoga Academy.com has lots of more information about that. But for today's technique, which is one of the ones that we offer in the 7-day meditation challenge, it's just the chanting of Aum. So basically, what you would do is as you chant, you start with the mouth as open as possible. And as you go through the ah sound, the mouth is as open as possible. Through the o sound, it begins to close, and it's all the way closed. So, and basically from an energetic standpoint, we're trying to feel the beginning of the vibration, the ah, in the belly. As we close the mouth and get into the ooh, we're in the heart. And as we close the mouth fully, we're going up to the nose and to the spiritual eye. So those are the basic mechanics. It makes so much sense, actually. Ah sound is supposed to purify the irda, u the pingala, and the shishumna. So it's a very balancing, very beautiful, even technique, even for our energetics. We'll do it 21 times together out loud. So find a seated position. Immediately come into the natural stillness and presence. Take a nice deep breath in. And that's the last of the chanting. Let the body relax, staying with the vibration. Your own beautiful silence and presence for a few minutes. And taking a moment just to bring your hands to heart center, bow your head to your heart with gratitude. Gratitude for the great tradition of yoga. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And the out loud chanting of Om is something that has tremendous, tremendous benefit physically, for our physical body, for our health, for our well-being, for our emotional body, for our mental body, even for our energy body. So I hope you enjoyed this practice. It's something you can do anytime, anywhere, and really receive the tremendous and potent power of this practice. If you liked the video, come back again, check us out, subscribe. We hope to see you again here on the mat soon. Thank you, thank you, thank you.